warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, in here I want to tell you about myself, my daily activity and activity related with science animals. The first is, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Lutfiana Zulfa and you can call me Nana. I was born on 30th of September 2001 and now I am 19 years old. I'm from Jepara, Central Java, and my previous school from Islamic Senior High School of Hasan Asari Bangsi, Jepara. And now I study at Tidar University and take a study program of animal science class. And the second is, I want to tell you about my daily activity at home. In the morning, I usually wake up at 4:30 to take a subuh prayer. After that, I come back to continue my sleeping until 8 o'clock. I know if my habit is not good, but what else can I do? My habit is hard to change. But if I have a class, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. And in the afternoon, I usually just relax and playing my phone, or I just do my assignment. And after that, I can also sleeping again. After wake up, then I immediately take a bath, and next is I take a prayer again. And in the afternoon, I usually just relax and playing my phone, or I just do my assignment. And after that, I can also sleeping again. After wake up, then I immediately take a bath, and next is I take a prayer again. And oh yeah, if you ask that's why I did not help my mother to do homework, yeah, this is my other pet habit. I never help my mom to do homework. Of course, you can say that I a spoiled and lazy girl. And the next is, in the evening, I usually just take a rest and I do something what I like, such as watching movie or listening to music, or I reading a story from Wattpad, and etc. And in the evening, I usually go to the some place to refresh my brain. I usually go to the swimming pool, or I go to the beach to enjoy the view. And the third is, I want to tell you about activity related with animal science. What is animal science? Animal science is study that therein learn all about animal husbandry. For example, learn to take care livestock animals, pay attention of animals' cage, animals' food, animals' health, and producing livestock animals such as meat, eggs, milk, and etc. Why I choose study program of animal husbandry? Because I want to know more how about animal husbandry. And after I study about it, I hope that I can have my own business in the field of animal husbandry. And I hope too that I can become successful entrepreneur. Okay friends, so maybe that's all I can say. I'm sorry if my grammar or my pronunciation is not good. I'm Lutfiana Zulfa. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.